Hi guys, what's up? So today I am in the coffee shop and I'm gonna try to record for you guys a little bit of like what it is to work the bar. Today I'm working more as a barista rather than a operational manager or whatever. So I'm gonna start pulling some shots and I'm gonna mic up. Let's mic up. Alright guys, maybe you can hear me better now. Yes. Alright, so let's mic up. Alright, let's go. Let's put some shots. Zumba de Andel.
Zumba.
Caramelized latte con esto. So, tienes un caramelized latte con leche regular y un ice latte con honey, raw honey, leche regular. Para aquí, un latte de 12 acá, de anira, de vainilla, un francés caliente. Entonces, si quieres añadirle los syrup y lo tiras aquí. Ah, pues tengo uno aquí. Okay. Puedes tirarte este Spanish latte. Te puedes tirar este Spanish latte y yo hago el chai. Que es un chai con leche de regular. Hay algo quemándose. Sí. Necesito que estés en relleno duri, por favor. Hace calor. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Alright, so we're out a few things. So I'm gonna head out to restaurant store to get a few things for the coffee shop. So I'll meet you guys in the car. So one of the most tedious things that I don't like about running my coffee shop is that unfortunately you have to go out, get out of the coffee shop and run some errands and then get back to work. So it's not like you have an actual day for errands. It's just as it pops up. So now we are here in this huge store. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is like a huge store where it's like a Target or a Walmart, but for restaurants. So we'll do this box. We have a few things, not everything I need, but pretty much that's it. Let's head out back to the coffee shop. Okay, so just got out of the restaurant store. You know what sucks about this is that you come with a list and you come with like a budget, but then you see like, oh wait a minute, I think I need this because this will be great with this, and then at the end of the day you go to check out and you blew your budget. God. These are things that they don't tell you about running a business, which is basically what they're called se llaman gastos hormiga, like ant, like how do I say it in English, ant expenses. Like they're tiny, but they are extremely dangerous. The fact of this type of business is that you have to make sure you make enough budget for big inventories. So we don't have a lot of space when it comes to our, oh wow, so yeah. No, go ahead, no worry. All right. So we don't have a lot of space when it comes to our inventory. So our inventory has to be very limited. And the problem with that is that you are constantly, you're constantly having to buy because you're constantly running very low on your materials. So if you're building a business, if you're building a coffee shop, if you're building a bakery, if you're building whatever it is that you're building, just make sure that you have enough storage space. That they don't tell you that. They just You focus on the dining area. You focus on the kitchen area. You focus on the bar area. But they don't tell you to focus on a storage closet, inventory closet, or whatever it is. So it's very important that you have space for inventory, because if not, having to go every other day to buy inventory will drain your account. Just a little tip for you there. We offer really cool pastries. I'm going to show you.
Okay. Thank you. So,
We have cheese Danish. We have blueberry. We got guava, croissant donuts, almond croissants, and regular plain croissants.
Gracias.
Está bien bueno con la de esto por dentro. Está súper, súper. Te lo voy a calentar. That is actually our 2 shots of espresso. So it's a condensed milk syrup that we make in house. We mix it together. Tuki tuki rumba, we mix it. It's first. And then we're gonna put oat milk. The person asked for oat milk. So we're gonna, and then we just do some oat milk. And this is our Spanish iced latte. Alright, so now I do clean up and I'll try to head home. So this is basically what I normally do if I'm scheduled as a barista. I help in the register, I kind of help out pulling shots, I kind of help out doing drinks. And then obviously in between I have to be an owner and I have to do like things that have to do with like operations. But this is what mainly looks like. So right now we're just gonna work on getting things ready for the next day. We like to kind of go by a checklist and have everything prepped for the next day. So kind of set up my baristas for the next morning for success. So we're just kind of gonna clean up, work on prep, and then that is it. I'll wrap it up here in the coffee shop. And then I go home to my babies to just do everything else I must do at home. So hope you like this little come work with me today, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.